You curious to see what an 80cc looks like stripped down? Well, this is a video just for you. That motor came off this bike. Eventually, there will be a new motor on there. Okay. This thing has about 754 miles on it. It's pretty beat. Alright, let's start with the cylinder head. There we go. There's your cylinder. It's kind of, you can tell it's been, what's the name for it? It's been driven pretty far, because it's kind of rusty. Hold on. I'll get the Kong around there. Turn the, there. Oh, shit. The whole thing just came apart. I forgot. I unscrewed. Where the hell did everything else go? Okay. Moving on. Here's the clutch. And 2 gears. Here's your magneto. That's your magneto. Let me put all this shit in here. One, two, three, four. That's not enough. One fell. Oh. Okay. Back to this. Here's your magneto. Now let's take this upper cylinder head assembly off carefully. Come on. Oh, heavy. Come on. Let go. Let go. Alright. There it is. The naked piston. It's actually pretty clean for 754 miles. Not bad. Wow. This thing's been smoked. It's been burnt. I've never seen the inside of these things. Now I get to see them. That's cool. Let me put the camera back.